Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Huwei Elementary and Junior High School. I'm Nelly of Class 701, and this is our lunch, our date. This is lunch date with Nelly
and Teacher Mark.
For today's video, let's talk about Yunlin County.
Okay, Yunlin County. Okay, Nelly, please tell me about Yunlin County.
Yunlin County, located in western Taiwan, offers a delightful land of
cultural
heritage and natural beauty.
Okay, Yunlin County's charm lies in its serene landscapes, vibrant puppet theater, and rich traditions.
Whether you are interested in history, nature, or local flavor, Yunlin has something special to offer.
Okay, now let's begin. So, what are the must-go places or top tourist destinations in Yunlin County? Number 1, Caoling Village.
Caoling is in Guken Township.
Okay. Xiluo Bridge.
Xiluo Daqiao is in Xiluo Township.
Chenglong Wetlands.
Chenglong Wetlands is in Chenglong Township.
Chaotian Temple.
Chaotian Temple is in Beigang Township.
Janfusun Fancyworld.
剑湖世界 is in古坑Township.
Penglai Waterfall.
蓬莱瀑布 is in 古坑 Township.
Taiping Old Street.
太平老街 is in 06 City.
Yunling Hill.
云岭之丘 is in 古坑 Township.
Erlun Story House.
二崙故事馆 is in 二崙 Township.
Yiwu Wetland.
椬梧湿地 is in 古坑 Township.
Xiluo Guangfu Temple.
西螺广福宫 is in 西螺 Township.
Green Tunnel Park.
古坑绿色隧道 is in 古坑 Township.
Yunlin Story House.
云林故事馆 is in 虎尾 Township.
Yunlin Hand Puppet Museum.
云林布袋戏馆 is in 虎尾 Township.
10,000-year Gorge.
万年峡谷 is in 古坑 Township.
Erlun Sports Park.
二崙运动公园 is in 二崙 Township.
Honey Museum.
蜜蜂故事馆 is in 古坑 Township.
Huwei Sugar Factory Iron Bridge.
虎尾镇虎尾铁桥 is in 虎尾 Township.
Jhen Wen Academy.
正文书院 is in 西螺 Township.
House of Citizen Memorial Hall of Attendance.
行启纪念公民会馆 is in 06 City.
Chenglong Agarwood Forest Museum.
城林城乡森林馆 is in Huwei Township.
Okay, so what are the must-try, must-eat local foods in Yunlin County? Okay, the first one, hard clams and horseshoe clams.
马蹄蛤
Goose meat.
鹅肉
Caoling coffee.
云林古坑咖啡
Pomelo.
柚子
Bucket chicken.
童子鸡
Eel.
鳗鱼
Turnip cake.
萝卜糕
Okay, that's it.
Yunlin is a beautiful county. Let's go and explore Yunlin County. Once again, this is Nelly saying, an English a day makes Huilong student smart and happy. See you next week here on our lunch.
Our day.
This is Lunch Day with Nelly
And Teacher Mark. Goodbye.